A volatile day on Wall Street. Right now, the Dow trading at, what are we looking at there? Down 160, 263. That's a half a percentage point. Better than yesterday. Still negative. This comes as gas prices hit another record high. ABC News business correspondent Alexis Christoferous has a closer look. And amid this growing volatility, some economists are talking about the risk of another recession. So 218,000 Americans have applied for unemployment last week, although the unemployment rate is at a very, very low rate. So, Alexis, just talk about how concerned we should be about a recession right now.
Well, really, Terry, it depends on who you talk to. You know, a number of Wall Street banks are now predicting recession next year. And in fact, there was a survey by something called the Conference Board. They talked to a bunch of CEOs across the country. 68% of them are now predicting a recession in the latter part of 2023, a number of Wall Street firms as well. The question then becomes, how deep will it be? How long will it last? And they're expecting it's going to be triggered by those higher interest rates that the Federal Reserve has told us they're going to be doing for the coming months, as the Fed now tries to wrap its hands around this high inflation and bring consumer demand down.
And meanwhile, Alexis, stocks have just been getting hammered lately, obviously. Let's look at the 5-day average of the Dow after it closed yesterday. I'm not a financial expert, but that doesn't look good to me.
Ooh,
down
yeah.
6.6%.
It's not a pretty chart.
So help us make sense of what's happening in the market. Look, obviously, it's stocks, it's investors, it's a lot of people with 401ks, but there are a lot of people without 401ks. And so how does a market like this shape the consumer spending habits and the wider economy?
No, great question. And I think it's really important to remember that the stock market is different from the economy. They're two different things, although sometimes they can diverge. And we are seeing that investors are looking ahead. You know, the stock market is a forward-looking indicator. It's always looking out to the economy 6 months, 12 months down the road. And what Wall Street's telling us right now is they believe we're going to see a real big slowdown in this economy that could tip us into a recession, even though we have a very strong labor market. And as you said, unemployment now hanging out near its lowest level in decades right now. So it's hard to sort of understand because the economy seems to be doing so well, but we're starting to see cracks now in consumer spending. Target, Walmart, Kohl's, among the big retailers, saying that consumers are starting to change their spending habits.
Well, one of the spending habits that is changing because the price is filling up a car with gasoline. The average price for a gallon of gas is $4.56 right now. Analysts predict by summer could hit $6 a gallon or more. So what's happening there? I thought this was going to be a temporary rise. Is there any relief in sight?
Yeah, you know, and now we've got gas over $4 a gallon in all 50 states. Definitely going to pinch people's wallets. It's going to be inflationary. No relief anytime soon because there's there's less supply than there is demand. We're heading into the summer driving season, and if Europe cuts off Russian oil altogether, we're going to feel that price shock here in the U.S.
Absolutely. Well, Alexis, let's talk about good stuff next time, the bright spots. I know they must be out there, but thank you very much.
Sounds good.
Always.
Thanks.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.